moly, Liza Koshy's YouTube video, Is This All I Need?, is going viral today, ranking number 30 on YouTube's trending list. And as a professional speaker, I am going to explain what she does right in public speaking so we can all learn. Specifically, we're going to focus on one thing in particular that she does brilliantly as a communicator. Can you figure out what it is? Let's see. I'm going to play a clip right now.
Girl Liza coming at you. Today I'm going to be...
Whew. Yes, okay. Look at that. Sounds amazing. Her beautiful voice. It does have something to do with her voice. I'm going to play another clip and we'll keep listening.
Right, they're not even in season. The trees are barren, but your boy stays stripped. So what we're going to do, oh my God, we're going to make, I'm hyped. All right, so all you need for this cake are cookies of your choice.
Awesome. Okay, Liza does something that we all need to learn as public speaker, which is she uses vocal variety. What is vocal variety? Vocal variety is how we communicate credibility, confidence, and charisma on stage. We vary our tone, pitch, volume, speed in how we say things. And as a result, we are able to establish all of the 3 C's that I just went over. And there's a lot of cool science behind this. Rutgers Business School found that people were persuaded not just by what they were saying, but how they were saying it. Specifically, Alex B. Van Dant and Jonah Berger published their findings in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, if you want to go read this yourself. Good stuff. And what they realized was that specifically the volume of your voice, when you speak loudly, you convey confidence. And even if you're saying something that's not so persuasive in your words, that confidence, scientifically proven now, will persuade people for you. And in addition to speaking loudly, varying that volume and that loudness. All right, let's listen more to Liza.
Oh, is it baking powder or soda? Oh no, it's baking powder. Ah!
What Liza is doing is communicating emotion. Audiences love emotion. She goes from a normal conversational type of tone to yelling, and this all adds drama to what she's saying, and also its engagement. This is how the brain gets engaged and stays listening. All right, finally, we'll wrap up with this last clip here.
Curveball life just threw at me that I'm gonna matrix real quick. My oven just broke. All the recipes require my oven.
All right, she's smiling, she is laughing. This is all positive, confident emotion. And also, she's slowing down the tone of her voice when she does the matrix type of movement. This is beautiful because we're seeing such a range of vocal variety, which is incredible as a speaker. Now, this is not just for YouTube videos. Vanessa Van Edwards looked at TED Talks and she saw that the speakers with the highest vocal variety correlated with the speakers who went viral, meaning if the person used a lot of vocal variety, then they were tending to go viral in their TED Talk. And there was a direct relationship between, like I said, credibility and charisma, which is what we want on stage. This is how we are communicating our important message with power and with purpose. Now, public speaking is a muscle. What we need to do after seeing such a great example from Liza is approach it like a muscle and focus on doing this one thing in our everyday conversations. Today, I want you to experiment with your vocal variety. Additionally, we have a public speaking gym online. We have live online practice parties. Go to speechparty.com, see what events are going to be convenient for you to attend,